expected. Total snow accumulations between 5 and 11 inches. Ware, Sullivan, Carroll, Northern Grafton, and counties. When? From 7 a.m. Thursday to 4 a.m. Friday. The potential exists for locally heavy snowfall, which will be and an elevated power outage. Periods of moderate and heavy snow will combine with low visibility to create dangerous driving conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Thursday morning and evening commutes. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions. New England 511 persons consider delaying all travel. Motorists should use extreme caution if travel is absolutely necessary. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for coastal New Hampshire.
All right.
And the pressure was 29. Nashua sunny 46. Joffrey sunny 42.
First winter storm warning of the year, and first alert off the 12-253. How about that?